Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can use preload manager of ExoPlayer to create to make your app behave like YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. So where you scroll to another video, keep on scrolling to other videos, right? So something like that we can do it. Now firstly so here it will start playing the video. I have given the camera permission. Okay, sorry, I forgot to turn on my internet, that's why it is not playing. Now I have not installed any. Now none of the videos which I will be playing are local videos. Everything are on the server. Like these are the test videos which are present on Google server. So these are test server, so it will take a bit of time to load. So if you are trying to load your videos from your own server, maybe you can reduce the latency, but these are test videos, so there will be some kind of a latency as well. So I'll just rerun the application because I forgot to turn on the Wi-Fi. So there will be, like I said, little bit of lag. So here you can see this is the first video. If I click on it, it will pause it. If I click on it again, it will play it. Okay, now I will just scroll down. Here you can see second video. I'll scroll down, third video, scroll down, fourth video, scroll down, fifth video. So these are pretty quick. Sixth video, here I don't know. Okay, seventh video. Okay, it did take a bit of time because again, like I said, these are not stored on my server, they are stored on Google server, and that is not a powerful server. Like it is a very what should I say, like a test server. Here you can see next video. Okay, so again that first video came. Now again it is repeating, it is looping through the same videos, but hopefully you got the point. So I'll just pause it. So let's see how to achieve this. So yeah, first again I'm using XML layout because the example tutorial which was there was in XML layout, it was not in Jetpack Compose. That's why I'm using XML layout as well, and I think XML layout makes more sense in this particular case. So first I have created an Android project, then inside Android manifest.xml you can just add this internet permission. Then inside activity underscore main, here you can see I have added this view pager 2. So you require view pager 2 to continuously scroll through these videos. Okay, I have given orientation as vertical, and I'm occupying the entire width and height of the screen. Then I have created one more layout file as well. So we will be using use of view pager adapter. So kind of like recycler view adapter, we have this view pager adapter as well. And for that, how each item of your view pager should look like. So each item should be a player view, right, an ExoPlayer view. So that's what we have taken over here. So if you want to give some controls, you can pass the controls over here as well, but I don't want any controls. I'll leave that up to you. So if you want to use controller, I think you can keep it as true. Let me quickly run it. I'm not sure. There are some options like use reshuffle, show the play forward button, but I don't think play forward and all that will make sense in this particular case. So I'll just unlock it. So here you can see it is able to show the play pause, but the next thing does not make sense in this case. But if you want this controller, you can do that as well. Okay, so hopefully you got the point. Next you need to go to build.gradle.kts, and here you need to add few dependencies. So first one is this media 3 common, then media 3 UI, media 3 ExoPlayer, and media 3 ExoPlayer HLS. So if you are using an HLS video, then you need to add this, otherwise this is not needed. Then I'll just pause this. Okay, then the next thing is I have taken this media item database. So let me first show you that. So here I have just created this Kotlin file, and these are all the URLs. Like I said, these are stored on Google server. Again, these are not, there is a little bit of latency as well, but even with this latency, if the user has good internet connection, we are able to show the videos properly. Like if you try to host it on your own server, make it closer to the user, then I think things would be even more better for you. And here we have just created one method called get item, so it will get the media item from it. Okay, then let's go to player pool. Now to be honest with you, even I don't completely understand this code. I have copy pasted it from the documentation. I'll simply scroll through this. I'll try to explain as much as I can. So here we are passing number of players. So I think I'll tell you where exactly we are setting this number of players, but I think if you have more number of players it would be more quicker, but it would increase the memory and RAM usage of your app as well. So you will have to choose a right approach. Don't just keep number of players equal to 10. You have to find the right approach based on your application. Here is our player add factory as well. Then like I said, I don't really understand all of this. Here we are acquiring player, synchronizing it. Then here is the acquire player internal. Again, I'm not really sure what is happening over here. Then here is our player. Here is pausing all players, releasing our player as well. This is for destroying our player, and this is the default player factory as well. Okay, hopefully you got the point. Then we need to go create this view page media holder, right? Again, I'm not sorry about this, I won't be able to explain it to you much as I have copy pasted this code, but here you can see we are getting our player view from the media item view pager file, layout file. Okay, and here we initialize it as well. We add a click listener, so if it is playing we just pause it, and if it is paused we play it. Here is our ExoPlayer. Here we just attach to window, here we detach from window, here we bind data, here we just do play if possible, here we release our player, here we call setup player as well. So here we just set up our player. So yeah, that's it. Then we come to view pager media adapter. So this is the adapter required by each and every view pager. So here we get hold of the default preload manager, so this is very important. And again, this constant I have just copy pasted it from documentation, sorry about this. Even I don't know really understand all of this code, so I'll simply scroll through this. So here we detach from recycler view, here we create our view holder as well. Again, let me just reformat it so that you guys can see the entire code. Okay, and here we on bind view holder. Then here we have this on view attached to window, then on view detach from window, get the item count, on page selected, add media item as well. Here we do remove media item. Then here we have this default target preload status control as well. Okay, so yeah, that's all there is to it. Again, I'll simply scroll up. Feel free to pause the video and just copy all this code, or you can refer to the media3 document GitHub repository as well, which has this particular code as well. Okay, then you need to go to main activity, and here again these are all the imports. Here we have our view pager 2. Here is the page change callback, and here you can see number of players I have set it to 3. You can increase or decrease the value, but I think increasing the value would be a bad idea according to me at least. Here we initialize our media item database. Then here we initialize our view pager view. Here off screen page limit is equal to 1. Then inside on start which initialize our adapter, assign it to our view pager adapter. Then this is the on page callback where we call the on page selected, and here we register on page callback, and inside on stop we unregister it, we make the adapter as null. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.